Hi, so it's supposed to rain today, but until it rains, I figured I'd go through and cut off the little branches from these bigger branches because they can't fit through the shredder. So I still have a pile here and a pile down there that I need to shred, and then I need to finish cutting down the tree that's over there, and there's always other things to cut down. But I've been creating a pile of small sticks right here, and those are the ones that I can actually fit through the shredder. Like I said, I can't fit anything that's over 2 inches, even though the shredder says it will take 3 inches, but I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is, I don't know, I'd say maybe 1.5 inches wide to 2 inches. Nah, like almost an inch. And sometimes the machine will take the whole thing, and sometimes it just gets stuck and turns off the engine because it can't take it. So I'm just taking these smaller branches like this and cutting them off like this, if I can, with these dull shears, and then maybe even cutting them in half, and then taking what I've cut and throwing them into that pile right there so that they're ready to go through the machine, because these can fit. Yep, and then I'm hauling these off, these bigger branches, and putting them in a pile over there, and then eventually I'm going to take them over by our fire and burn them. Super windy today too, because there's a cold front coming. These bigger ones, some of them I can cut, some of them I can't, so let's see. It's like 1/4 inch. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to come off. There we go. And then some of these branches have like other little branches hanging off of them. And I'm either leaving them or cutting them. Kind of a substantial pile there. And there's a lot to go. And then I think the tip of this stick I can run through the machine, but I don't think I can cut through that part, so we'll just go here. There, and then this thing I'm just gonna lug over to the other pile. There. how crazy this is. This is a grapevine going across this path. We did not plant this. What do you do about this? I can try to pull it out, but it seems to have no end. Oh, okay, that's the end of my strength. But they're climbing up everything. This is part of it. This right here is part of it. It's coming from down there, maybe in there. Could be part of that, I don't know. One of the reasons why we're cleaning out this forested area. Almost done with this pile, but taking forever. And I can hear thunder growling in the distance. Trying to reduce the amount of times that I go up and down the hill, so I'm cutting off pieces I can and putting them in a pile. And then them up. This piece I'm not sure about. It's like an inch thick. May or may not go through the machine. Try. So other than all these little sticks that I can fiddle with, pretty much done with this pile. Never thought it would happen. Yes, but there's that other pile too. Well, I'm done for the day. The one pile is gone and the one I made is significantly taller. So I'm excited to get it done with.